hello, travelers. Welcome to part 2 of our journey from Nainital to Dehradun. If you missed the part 1, don't wait. You can find the link to it on this video description.
In the mystery of life. Every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
Light rain showers continue to pour down upon us. However, the most exciting part during second half of today is this long Eastern Ganga Canal. Did you know that this canal system is about 437 kilometers long? Neither did I.
Calling for the light. In the mystery of life. Every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
This mesmerizing and beautiful view of clouds surfing through the mountains is definitely not something we see every day. And needless to say that, yes, we cherished every moment of our ride along this road.
No room for darkness to take place.
The surprisingly low water levels during monsoon on this riverbed got us more thrilled to cross this small yet adventurous water crossing. And this for me was more like a teaser to what the beautiful Spiti Valley actually had in store for us.
Every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning. In the beginning, there was time. No room for darkness to take place. Calling for the light. In the mystery of life.
Even after all the new experiences we had today, we still had not got enough of the Ganga Canal.
Night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
Can you guess where the exit of Canal Road took us? Straight to the mouth of River Ganga. After giving a treat to our eyes and minds, we continue our journey to Rishikesh and then through the Barkot forest range. Sadly, my camera battery is drained out eventually as we rode, but thanks to Neil Cam, we were able to capture this calm ride with the marker lights on either sides of the road, twinkling all along its way until Dehradun. As we come to end of day 7, I'd like to quote Martin King Luther Jr. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But by all means, keep moving. This is Echo signing off. See you all on another beautiful day.